We're going to put together my labor and delivery baskets or labor and delivery and then postpartum nurses baskets. And let's see what all I got. We don't know what the gender is, so I did pink and blue items. And then I'm going to do white baskets, and I'm going to like do some pink and blue tissue paper and ribbon to kind of like decorate them. So let's go. I think they turned out pretty great. We're going to have one for labor and delivery and then one when we move over to the postpartum unit or whatever. So I'm excited, and I hope this helps you make yours.